Hi, this is Mohammed. This is my summary of the user stories which I implemented in the past week. I go ahead and read the user stories one by one. As a customer, I want to see my email address on a setting screen so that I know in which email address I'm signed in. I go ahead and read the other story as well because I implemented in a same class basically. As a customer, I want to see my username so that I know in which username I'm signed in. For those user story, I want to show you the class diagram which I implemented. I implement those user story in the setting fragment class. Basically, I'm getting the real information from the app model because all the users are stored in the app model, and app model is the inherited from the model which is interface, and some of the user properties I'm also getting from the user class and the app service class, which are uh, mm, which are aggregated from the model. And in the setting from talking about the setting fragment point of view, those three classes uh, are the composition to the setting fragment class. As a customer, I want to register myself with a unique email address so that no other person can use the same email address twice. I want to show you this user story in three different UML diagrams. First, I show you in the class diagram. This user story I implemented in the registration activity class. Again, the information is storing in the app model, which is inherited from the model, and everything was same just like the setting fragment class. Those three user stories are the composition, and those are the aggregation. I also want you to show the sequence diagram. Basically, my user story start from that part because the previous part is coming from the registration from the very beginning. So when the user entered the information, it goes to the app service, then from the app service it goes to the admin to verify the information, basically from the database. In this case we are using app model, so if the user is already exist, it sends an error message. If it doesn't, then it saves the user. And I also want you to show the action diagram. So when the user enters the detail, it verifies the email. If the email is valid, it approves the registration. If it is not, then it goes again to let the user put the right information. Thank you.